Hi, I'm May and I'm a past learner from the Llwybrau Gwent Learning Zone. Studying at the Learning Zone led me to achieve an A star in Maths, an A star in Further Maths, an A in Welsh Bagloriaeth and a B in Physics, which helped secure my place at my first choice university, the University of Exeter, where I am now in the final year of my Maths degree. One thing I really enjoyed about studying at the Learning Zone was the support I received from my teachers over the 2 years. Whether it was helping me with my studies or my application to university, my teachers were always there to offer me support and guidance. My lecturers were all approachable and they were all willing to help me with any difficulties I was having with studying. Another thing I really enjoyed about studying at the Learning Zone were the small class sizes. It meant my lecturers and my fellow students and I were able to get to know each other on a more personal level. While studying A-levels is a really stressful time, the close relationship I had with my fellow students and my teachers really helped me enjoy my experience. While studying my A-levels, I was also given the opportunity to go back to my previous school and give a presentation on A-levels and studying at the Llwybrau Gwent Learning Zone to Year 11 students. I was also able to represent the college at a maths competition, and while we didn't win, I had so much fun. The teachers I had at the Llwybrau Gwent Learning Zone inspired me so much that I'm hoping to start my PGCE in September and hopefully become a maths teacher.